Oi, oi, see, this is what I'm talking about. He thought he could intimidate me. I get quite excited by looking at bikes, super bikes that is, but all that excitement just withers off after I look at the rider not wearing a helmet or protective gear. I mean, of course you can afford a helmet and wear it. Now, if you can afford one, just wear it. And I'm not trying to be over smart here by being very preachy and talking about wearing helmets. Sure, there might be some souls that think they have full control on their bike, on their vehicle, but that's where you're wrong. You should never underestimate your lack of skill. Neither do I. That is why I wear all the gear.
A small price to pay for salvation.
Whoa, what was that? Look at that. Look at that perfect alignment of bird poop. I'm glad it didn't touch me. Oh, this is one tricky business. Shit, man. How do I not touch the fuel tank? I know what can help me. I've got bird poop on my fuel tank, and how do I avoid that? This is where the natural flora and fauna of the nature comes. Oh, I didn't think this through. Oh yeah, look at that sweet bird poop coming off in all its glory. Sorry for the congestion.
You should be arrested. People like you should be arrested.
By the way, please excuse my littering. This is just a piece of leaf, so I don't mind throwing it away. This is not plastic. It will decompose by time. So please don't judge me over there. But now I can freely clamp my tank with my knees with utmost affection. Wow, what a beautiful sky, man. I love this kind of a climate. It's nice and sunny, beautiful watercolory clouds. Just ignore that. Just ignore that I said that. Watercolory? Seriously, dude? That's your description of a cloud? Watercolory? Ooh, I can see something. I guess that's the XJL. Oh yeah, XJL, the long wheelbase version. Nice, beautiful.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
Oh, okay. I get the permission. And he had a whistle in his mouth, so that gives him the right to direct me and order me to do whatever the hell he wants to. That's a weird sound for an Axis, dude. How do you get access to that sound? I mean, look at the comedy, oh. I'm sorry guys, I just ruined it completely, man. I didn't realize that there was a bullet in front of it, and I thought that sound is coming from the Axis 125, probably some modified silencer. Later did I realize that's not the case. Single seat hai. I mean, I'm not laughing for the fact that, how do I explain it, man? I'm not laughing at him. I'm just laughing at the fact that that's the legitimate excuse that I have. But I mean, that quick response felt like as if I'm waiting for that question, like, please can you drop me off? And this is okay. Nope, I can't. I've got a single seat. I wasn't waiting for that excuse. Come on. But then that's partially one reason for me to take away my seat, to not have to deal with strangers and to not have to refuse them, especially in such times where you never know who might be infected and who might not. So it's better safe than sorry. In today's episode, of living in a city like Mumbai. I tell you the importance of not dealing with strangers. The only thing I hate, you already know what I hate. But for the new viewers that are new on this channel and I don't know jack shit about me, I mean, what are you doing? I'm a very modest guy. The thing I hate about this time of the year are the monsoons. Oh my god, I despise. Hate is an understatement. I despise the fact that it rains. Please don't splash. Bach gaya. Seriously, in such a climate with such beautiful roads, I'm at mercy of everyone else on the road. It's the only good thing about rains is the weather is good. I mean, barring the rains. Oi, see, this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. And bus drivers are the last people to give a fuck about you. So yeah, the only good thing about monsoon is these lush greens and the cool what do you say, cool temperature. That's it. It's just not, it's just a little less hot than normal. And it's even bad for my bike as well, since it's all metal. Rains is not really favorite season of this baby as well.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Don't get overexcited, buddy.
I'm fast as fuck.
हमने अपना काम कर दिया, अब आप अपना काम करके दिखाओ। मैं आपकी पावर है, तो जो भी प्रोसीजर करने आप प्रोसीजर करा के अब आप करा के दिखाओ ना, जैसे हमने करा के दिखा दिया। परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से, ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए, करो फिर।
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm done with my work on set. Back to home. Look at this. Also, look at the condition of my bike right now. The rain headquarters had a meeting and they were like, how well can we mess this bike up? A little bit of rain, a little bit of keychad, leaves from the trees, and a bird can also shit on it. And they decided we need everything. I just hope it doesn't rain on my way back to office. Not in a mood to tolerate any rain right now. It already rained for about an hour while I was on the set, so that again wasted a lot of our time. I just hope I get to.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Damn it. Now I realize I forgot to wipe off the shit on my seat. God damn it. No man, it's too late now. Okay, why am I not going back? I hope I'm not punctured. Please don't tell me I'm punctured. Okay, I'm not, thank God. Well, the rain headquarters had that in their minds to mess that up as well in my bike, but they were like, okay, that doesn't really come in our authority, so we'll let him go. Hey, yaar, aaja na bhai. Look at the muck. Disgusting. Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something? Every time, man, every time. By the way, the bike that I showed you, it being dirty, it's just me riding it for about what, 6 kilometers? Yeah, just 6 kilometers, guys. And that's the condition of the bike. This is why I hate rains. There's nothing else in this world that pisses me off more than rains. I don't know, man. You can hate me for it, but can't change my mind. I despise rains, man. Don't worry, you guys. I'm going to be the crankiest son of a bitch for the next 4 or 5 months. Another problem is when you slow down, it takes hardly 2 seconds for you to fog your visor up. Your day is already because of the chai that's present on the road.
Hello friend.
You also can't see anymore. So, icing on the cake. I mean, seriously, if there were no potholes, if there were good roads, if there were no muck and dirt on the road, I would love rains. I would absolutely adore rains. It's just a matter of getting wet, and that's not a big deal. I get wet every day. Please don't get this wrong. I get wet every day in the bathroom. Okay, this is not helping. I get wet every day while bathing because water from the shower comes and hits my body. Okay, I hope I've explained a lot. I've just gotten this habit of explaining myself so much to the point that it gets cringy. Well, you got to deal with it. Please don't unsubscribe. I couldn't see anything. But the problem is you guys are gonna get wind noise. See how much I care for you guys. You should be paying me for this. By the way, talking of me getting paid, I've got this option of switching on the membership on my channel. I am in a dilemma whether to switch it on or not, because you guys tell me whether to switch on membership on my channel, and there's no problem as such. It's just that I'll have to churn out exclusive content specifically for the members of the channel, and that's not a great deal, but what the hell? Okay, that auto guy snuck out very well. Sneaked out rather. Auto drivers are artists. They know how to get away with a situation. Please don't rain, please don't rain. The another thing I hate in today's episode of me hating the rain, another thing I hate about rains is that it's so unpredictable, man. It's even more unpredictable than my crush. Oh, the glory of Indian roads. This is at a prime location in Mumbai. Beautiful, and it's nice and thick, huh? The chai here is nice and thick. Delicious. Yuck. That truck was throwing away chunks of muck. Look at the beautiful roads. Wow. Yeah, I'm ready to have a conversation. I like that cowboy style of I don't know, signaling. He thought he could intimidate me by just showing me some looks. Oh, I guess he wouldn't have done that if I did not have a camera. I guess he noticed the camera. That's why he was like, nope, this might get me in trouble. I don't want to go down that road. Wise person, wise guy. Of course, I was also done for the day, so I had plenty of time to have some sweet conversation with another brother. But that guy, he just abandoned me, man. You shouldn't abandon someone after you develop a connection like that. Come on, man. I thought we had something between us. Just don't leave me like that. It hurts. Please.
Bonus.
कुछ परेशान सा लग रहा है।
मेरी शक्तियों का गलत इस्तेमाल किया गया माँ। ये दुनिया बहुत खराब है माँ। पर आप बिल्कुल फिक्र मत कीजिए। मैं आ रहा हूँ। मैं बहुत जल्द आ रहा हूँ।
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Sarap pagka-ride. Sarap pagka-ride. Yes, yes.